ForU AI is here to revolutionize your AI experience. But first, let's get you connected. In this quick tutorial, we'll guide you through connecting your EVM-compatible wallet, so you can open doors to the AI universe of ForU. Let's get started. Before we start, ensure you have an EVM-compatible wallet installed. If you're using SAY tokens on the native SAY Cosmos network, you can also connect with Compass Wallet, which supports SAY v2 EVM. For this tutorial, we recommend using Rabbi Wallet. Before proceeding, make sure you have SAY tokens in your wallet for gas fees. If you don't have any, here's how you can deposit funds from a centralized exchange. If you're using Compass Wallet and already have SAY tokens on SAY Native, simply connect your Compass Wallet to the site to proceed. To fully connect, you'll also need to link your wallet in our Telegram mini app. Here's how. Once verified, you'll see a check-in button. No need to tap it. Your wallet is now connected. Now open your browser and go to foruai.io. On the homepage, look for the Connect Wallet button at the top right corner and click on it. A pop-up will appear with various wallet options. For this tutorial, we'll select Rabbi Wallet. You'll need to connect your wallet both on our Telegram mini app and on the ForU AI website to complete the process.